you guys! Welcome back sa ating vlog. Just wanna quickly show you the heavy rainfall we've experienced here in Alice for a few days, which made our empty river rage like this. It goes all the way there. See? It's a big water hole. Oops. I better not go there. I learned it from
mud. It's mud.
Can you
Sorry. Didn't ask him to think it. We'll just go walk up there.
Yep, guys. Look at hubby's shoes. What did you do?
Walk straight into the mud. Oh dear.
What is this place called? There's lots of people here, guys, camping. See? They're gonna stay here for the night. Look at that lady. There's still got fire on. There's 3 dogs. But hubby and I are only here just to have a quick look. There's another group of people there camping. It's nice here. It's a big water hole. Goes all the way there, endless.
It's huge. It'd be lovely to take the canoe.
Yeah.
Once you get into the mud. It's a beautiful waterhole, actually. You'll probably walk in the mud like me.
This is the mud. And this is Owen Springs. Red Bank. What is this one called? We don't know. Red Bank Gorge.
It's not Red Bank Gorge.
Red Bank Waterhole.
That's it.
And welcome to Red Bank Waterhole.
What happened to your dress? It's lovely.
That's the stream over there. I think that's the end.
Oh,
Should we go?
yeah.
With difficulty.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Look at these guys. These cars went in. We just left our car in there,
Oh
and then
my
we
God.
just walk.
That's soft.
These guys are brave. Are they brave or are they mad? One or the other.
I don't know how we're going to get out, though.
With difficulty. That's this stream. Islands in the stream. How did you cross? We rely on each other. From one love into another. That's it. Just we see this. It's beautiful. Hey, it's beautiful. If you look at the camera, look, it looks so pretty. check this out, guys. Running water. Honey, can you take a photo of me?
She thinks she's getting a photo, but it's a video. Just makes you crack up, eh?
Am I gonna fall down there?
Huh. Watch this, everybody. Watch her fall in. She's only happy because she didn't fall in the water. Now she's doing her rain dance. How strong it is over there. Look at that. And beautiful. A beautiful place.
Strong current. I wonder if it's like this when there's no rain. Because look how strong the current there, guys.
Yeah, strong's current.
Yeah.
The strong's current. The current's strong. The strong's current. Darn.
The strongest current. See? Even an Australian can have their grammar wrong. It's all the way over there. And this is in the desert. And look at the abundance of water. Just because of that few days of rain. And that's what the road looks like. We're heading off now. Daming bato-bato, guys. This is amazing. Can't cross. Water is too high. So you normally can cross all the way there?
Yeah, you cross there and the doggy.
I don't know, I can't see the dog. I think they're holding him
He's okay.
so he won't bite.
You normally cross there and go up there.
Mm.
Can't do it.
That dog is so grumpy. Can you hear him?
Good on him. Well, we couldn't even do it even if we wanted, honey.
No.
Too fast.
No one's crossing here at the moment.
And that's where you
How
cross.
fast it is. I wonder what is it. Because they're camping there for the night. They already got cooking. They got a grumpy dog there too. And there's some more cars over there.
Beautiful, huh?
Did you feel if it's cold?
It's funny you said that. You're not home for real. That's beautiful. I'd go through that. What a beautiful place.
This is just about not even 10-minute drive. Just a little bit further from the Red Bank waterhole, and you'll see this river. So normally you can cross on the way there, all the way there, going to Owen Springs, but we can't.
We're going to try it one day.
One day, when the river's gone. The river's not gonna be there. Normally there's no river there, guys. That's a river with no water. But look, it's raging at the moment because of that 2-day rain. Oh. Was
Very
it two?
unusual to see a river with water around this area. Normally our rivers are dry,
Yes.
and our roads, you can't even drive on our roads when it rains because they all get blocked.
Mm. Amazing. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Do you want to say thanks for watching? Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Actually, it's so dirty, but it's good.
Hey you guys! Thank you so much once again for watching our video. This time guys, ay gagawin na po natin ang ating pa-shoutout. At ang ating first shoutout ay kukunin natin from the video Top 5 Most Expensive Flowers in the World. So kung nag-comment po kayo doon, ay nandito po ang inyong mga names. Our first shout out goes to Mick Naob. Shout out to you, Mick Naob. Second shout out goes to Twinnie Ubas. Shout out to you, Twinnie. Third shout out goes to Shayla Vlog. Shout out to you, Shayla. Our fourth shout out goes to Ronaline Mehala. Shout out to you, Ronaline. And last shout out for this video goes to Mary Joy Cano. Congratulations, guys. And our next shout out, guys, ay kukunin po natin from the video Duwende. Dear Ate Dar episode entitled Duwende. Ito na po siya. First shout out goes to James Esbra. Shout out to you, James. Second shout out goes to Andrea and Christine Channel. Shout out to you, Andrea. Our third shout out goes to Cecil Lilak. Shout out to you, Cecil. Our fourth shout out goes to Redentor Rebostes. Shout out to you, Redentor Rebostes. And our fifth shout out goes to Maricel Ubas. Shout out to you, Maricel. And ang ating last pa shout out ay kukunin naman po natin from the post yung Snakes and Ladders sa Facebook. Ito na po siya. 5 po ulit ang ating bubunutin. First one goes to Kimwell Gabinete. Kimwell Gabinete, shout out to you. Second shout out goes to Nans Nino. Shout out to you, Nans. Third shout out goes to Shayla. Shout out to you, Shayla. Our fourth shout out goes to Tresha May Ortiz Bakay. Shout out to you, Tresha. And last shout out goes to Shilamay Aloyan. Shout out to you, Shilamay. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!